Hello, welcome to the channel. I want to introduce to you airdrop that is cooking. The airdrop that is cooking. If you can be able to join the airdrop, to mine the airdrop, you will make a good you make a good income from it. So now I'll start by showing the coin. The name of the coin I'm about to show you is called POW. POW is a new airdrop that is on board now and is really cooking. I want you people to be serious about this coin, because if you're able to be serious about the airdrop, you'll find out that this airdrop is just like dog. I don't know whether you mind dog when it's when the mining platform is on, and now the bow is another one that just look like dogs, and you know that dog paid well. Yes, go to Telegram, then you come to yes, checking this is bow, then go to the leaderboard. See the people that have been making waves here. A lot of you have been making waves here, and go to vote. Progress. Yes, see the interface earning. This is my earning. Then in-game is where this in-game is where you complete your tasks. Some of the tasks here, you follow them on. I've already followed them. And now you check and claim your PAL. Join them on X. Follow them. PAL codes. You claim it. Yes, this one has done. You follow the edit. They come here and claim it. So it starts. These are taxes that you have to complete to be earning some points. These are taxes you need to complete to be earning some points, collecting some points. Invite friend, connect wallet, go to power channel, you put your name, your partner. Blom is one of their partners. Click start. I'm being in Blom, so I'll just go back and claim the yes. So that's how you mine it, and by so doing you are accumulating your points and be ranking accordingly. These are my rewards. You'll be ranking accordingly. That's how it is, just like that. No addition, no reduction. So start now mining PAL, and be making waves, so that when the airdrop is being listed, you'll be making a lot of money for yourself. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and join the platform. Thank you, and God bless you. So if you want to join, follow the link below to my description, so that you can start accumulating some points.